morning, all of you. Again, I welcome all of you for our online class, day 22. Today, we are going to see the question answer of poem Travel. First question. In the first stanza, the speaker talks about two different sounds. What are these sounds? Answer. The two sounds that the speaker talks about are the voice of people speaking through the day and that of the whistle of the train as it shrieks. Second question. Which of these sounds does she actually hear? Answer. The sound that the speaker actually hears is that of human voice. Question number C. How is it that the other sound appeared to ring out so clearly to the speaker even though the source of the sound is nowhere nearby? Answer is, the speaker thinks about the train so often with such a deep desire to travel that the sound of its whistle in her dreams seems real to her. Thus, it appears to ring out so clearly even though the source is nowhere nearby. Question number 2. What, according to the speaker, is the night for? What is she doing instead? Answer is, the speaker says that the night it means for sleep and dreaming. However, instead of sleeping, she is thinking about what it would feel like to get away on the train. Okay, next question. Third, what are the speaker's feeling towards the people who are currently in her life? Yet, despite her feelings, what does she want to do? Answer is, the speakers seem to have affection for the people in her life. They seem to make her happy, yet despite this, she wants to get to know other people and have new experiences and make new friends. Next question. Fourth one. And better friends I will not be knowing. Who are these better friends? These better friends are people who the speaker imagines she will meet if she were to take a train and travel. B. What makes the speaker call them better? The speaker calls them better because the very idea of going on a journey and gaining new experiences make her feel that the people that she will perhaps meet will be more exciting and likable than the one she already knows. Okay. Next, C. Has she met them? Does she expect to meet them all? No, she has not met them and does not expect to meet them anytime soon. Fifth question. Why does the speaker seem to be willing to take any train to any place? What does this tell you about her state of mind and the way she feels about her life? Answer is, this comes from the fact that she is unable to break away from her dull existence. She wants to go, travel and see more places and meet different people and thus is willing to take a train to any place. This tells us that she wants to experience something new, exciting and different in her life and perhaps find her current routine a little dull and boring. These are the question answer of this chapter. You have to read and I will give this letter on your WhatsApp group. I hope you understood all these questions. I didn't explain all these questions, just I read it. Okay. Next class, we will do the next chapter and God may bless you. Bye.